Let's build a navigation system that makes your website a breeze to explore. We'll start by adding a Navbar element in the Webflow designer. Head to the Elements panel, drag a Navbar onto your canvas, and place it at the top of your page. By default, the Navbar often comes with a logo placeholder, and a few navigation links. We can customize these to fit our brand. Click on the logo placeholder to select it. In the Element Settings panel, under Link Settings, we'll change the link type to Page and select Home to ensure our logo always takes visitors back to the home page. You can then replace the placeholder image with your actual logo. Now let's look at the navigation links. Select one of the existing links again. In the Element Settings, you can change the link text to your desired page name, like About, Services, or Contact. Crucially, ensure the link type is set to Page, and then select the corresponding page from the drop-down menu that you want this link to direct. To repeat this for all your main navigation items. For mobile responsiveness, notice the hamburger menu icon that appears. Webflow automatically handles this. You can click on it to open the mobile menu styles here. You can adjust the appearance of the mobile menu's background, text color, and spacing to ensure it looks great on all devices. To add spacing between your navigation links, select a link and go to the Style panel under Spacing. Adjust the margin. To create visual separation, we'll apply a small right margin to each link, except for the last one. You can also style your links by selecting them, and using the Style panel, adjust the font, size, color, and hover states to make them visually appealing and easy to read. For consistent styling, it's a good practice to create a class for your primary navigation links. Select a link. Click the plus sign next to Selector. Name your class, for example, Navlink, and then apply all your styling to this class. This way, all your navigation links will inherit the same appearance. And there you have it, an intuitive and professional navigation menu that guides your visitors effortlessly, making sure they find what they need in a flash.